You're finally ready to buy. So why does it feel like the market is working against you? You've done everything right. You've watched your credit score. You built up your down payment. You sat through the rate roller coaster and you stayed patient when everyone around you was panicking. And now you're finally ready. You're pre-approved, you know what you want, and you're thinking, okay, this is my moment. But then you started looking and something feels off. The homes that match your criteria, gone in days, sometimes in hours. The ones still sitting there, you start wondering what's wrong with them. And every week you wait, you're not sure if you're being smart or just falling further behind. Here's what nobody talks about: the emotional cost of being a prepared buyer in an unprepared market. It's not just frustrating, it's exhausting. You start second guessing yourself. You wonder if you should just wait another year or maybe stretch the budget or settle for a neighborhood that wasn't your first choice. And that doubt, that's where mistakes happen. I've worked with buyers for over 23 years, and even with experienced guidance, I've seen this market test people's confidence in ways I haven't seen before. Buyers who were completely ready, financially, emotionally, started to waver, not because they weren't smart and not because they didn't have support, but because the noise out there is loud and it's hard to tune it out. That's exactly why I want to give you a clear picture of what's actually happening right now, and more importantly, what you can actually do about it. Here's the tension nobody is being straight with you about. Rates have come down from their peak. We covered that in a recent video. And yet, inventory is still stubbornly low. We talked about that too. So what you have right now is a market where more buyers are stepping back in, but the homes aren't there to meet them. Sounds like bad news, and the headlines will tell you it is. But here's the contrast. The buyers who are winning right now aren't waiting for a perfect market. They're learning how to move correctly inside this one. There's a difference between a hard market and an impossible market. And right now, for a prepared buyer, it is hard, but it's absolutely not impossible. The people who understand a few key things are still finding homes, still negotiating, and still closing. And the people who are frozen, they're watching those buyers win and wondering what they know that they don't. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what those buyers are doing differently, 3 specific moves that are working right now in this market that most buyers aren't making. No fluff, no just be patient advice, actual strategy. Whether you're planning to buy in the next 30 days or the next 6 months, this is going to change how you think about your search. Hi, I'm John Hurlbut with the Altitude Homes team here in Western Washington. If you enjoy real estate content like this, we'd sure like it if you could smash the like button, subscribe for future updates, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Okay, let's get into it. So, stop searching, start preparing to act. Most buyers are reactive. They wait for a listing to appear, then they scramble to get ready. The buyers winning right now have done all their preparation before they need it. That means your financing is fully in order. You know exactly what you will and won't compromise on. And when the right home hits the market, you can make a strong, confident move within hours, not days. Sellers and their agents notice the difference between a buyer who is truly ready and one who is still figuring it out. Being genuinely prepared is a competitive advantage all on its own. Next, know the difference between a deal and a red flag. When a home sits on the market longer than average right now, there are 2 possible reasons. Something is genuinely wrong with the property, or it was priced wrong and the seller is now more flexible. One of those is an opportunity. You need an experienced eye to tell the difference. And right now, those overlooked listings are where some of the best negotiating leverage is hiding. Finally, get clear on your walkaway number before you fall in love. Emotional buying is the #1 thing that costs buyers money in a competitive market. Before you walk through a single door, you need a ceiling, a number above which you will not go, regardless of how much you love the kitchen. When you have that clarity going in, you make better offers faster with more confidence. And sellers and their agents can feel that confidence. It changes the dynamic at the table. If you're in the process of buying a home or you're getting close, drop a comment below and tell me where you're at in your search. I read every single one and it helps me know what to cover next. And if you know someone who's been going in circles trying to buy right now, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they need to hear. I'll catch you at the next one.